సివిలైజేషన్ గురించే కాన్వర్సేషన్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటూ ఉన్నాను.
అవును, చాలా సివిలైజ్డ్గా ఉంది.
ఈజ్ ఇట్ అ వెరీ సివిలైజ్డ్ కాన్వర్సేషన్?
వెరీ, విత్ యూ ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ అ వెరీ సివిలైజ్డ్ కాన్వర్సేషన్.
I try to maintain that. So, ఇప్పుడు you have built a very strong connection with all the audience in and around South and also pan India with the films that you have done, and also your upcoming film with Prashant Neel garu and NTR garu. So, ee film lo matram the audience are going to a very new world. So, what do you think will make your character and the film connect with them?
Oh, wow. That's quite a big question. First of all, అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. Hi.
Hi.
That's a great question, Suma garu. I wish I had an immediate answer for it.
Yeah.
For starters, I think the world of toxic, I think మీరు అందరూ టీజర్ ట్రైలర్ ఆల్రెడీ చూసారు. The world is very expansive and very big. చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద విజువల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. కానీ ఈ సినిమాలో there are very, very heartwarming relationships, human conflicts, ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. So Geetu ma'am has found an amazing way of exploring all of these minute human things, but also on this vast canvas. So I think that's how it will work.
Yes, we are sure waiting for a big surprise. ఎందుకంటే what we have seen in the trailer దానికన్నా చాలా డెప్త్ ఉందని అయితే అర్థమవుతుంది మాకు.
డెఫినెట్గా.
Yeah, we are waiting for that.
Yes.
And relationships గురించి మాట్లాడారు కాబట్టి at a time of when there is some kind of chaos. Kiara is here.
Chaos.
Kiara is here. Yes, we have Nadia from Toxic, the very beautiful, talented, the amazing, fantabulous. Let's welcome Kiara and Ronnie. So, Rukmini, I'll continue that question with you. A very, very hearty welcome to the beautiful, the very gorgeous, the talented Kiara from all the Telugu fans. Telugu ప్రేక్షకులు ఎంతగానో మిమ్మల్ని ప్రేమించారు, and very happy to see you here today and waiting to hear you talk. Requesting you to please be seated. నేను కూడా కూర్చుందాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. Yeah, so we were asking you that question of like one relation or one person whom you would run to, and if there is some chaos happening, or call them, who would that be?
I think it's the same answer for most people. Amma. Always.
Amma. And then create all chaos in her life.
Obviously.
Why she can be peaceful, no?
You have to take your chaos to your Amma only. Who else?
And Amma can take all the chaos to Nana. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rukmini garu, and looking forward to you on stage and of course to the film too. Yes, and here we have another powerhouse and actress who has performed like the screen enjoys you, the audience loves you. So today we are waiting to see you on stage, but before that we have a question for you. You have worked across all the Indian industries, and Toxic brings together most of the actors across Indian cinema. So this character of Elizabeth, that was a very exciting thing for you as an actor. And what do you think will make this larger than life world particularly exciting for the Telugu audience?
Such a long question.
I know, they gave it to me. Yeah. I was also thinking this much of English if I would have studied.
Indariki namaskara. It's so nice to be here. I love Hyderabad, and I feel whenever I come here, I don't know why, this feels like home. And being a part of Toxic really has been a dream come true. I think I'm just so grateful to my director, Geetu. She's not here today.
Oh my God. I'm going to ask you the same question.